row 8. So this is my main color is the dark purple and my color B is pink. So I'm going to do, what I need to do is edge stitches, then the middle stitches and the edge. And I'm doing it to show you how to change color. The basic rule of changing color is that the new color comes under the old. Okay, now this counts as the old and this pink is the new. So I'm going to put the pink yarn under the magenta yarn. Let me turn it so you can see.
The general rule is you put the second color under the first color.
The one you're about to use goes under the one you've been using, or new under old.
New under old.
I'm telling you it's that. There we go. So you see how I have twisted the pink under the magenta. The pink is under the magenta, and then I knit across those stitches with the pink. It would help if I could knit. I'm very nervous being I don't know how they do. I don't know how they do love scenes, you guys. And I'm going to knit across. So what I've done is I've done the first two. I'll then do this repeat 10 times. Here I'm only doing the repeat once. And then I've got 2 left over in pink. Now I have to switch to the magenta again. So I take my bobbin of my bobbin yarn, and the new goes under the old. And I'm keeping the tension firm, but not so tight that I buckle. Okay, and I want to do it from the purl side because it's easier to see. And there's a little trick on the purl side. So now I'm doing row 9 or a wrong side row. Knit my 4. Now I'm going to cross. When I get to the pink, if you look at the pattern, are those knits or purls? You're way too smart. Okay, so I have to cross the yarns. This does not stay in the front. It comes back to the back of the work again because we don't want a piece of yarn stuck in the front of the block. So it comes back here. This is called XAB. It comes to the back. I put the pink under it, and then I start purling along. And when I get to this side, if you look at the words for this, this says cross A and B when changing from A to B or from one skein of A to the other. Do not cross at the right side edge on rows 1, 6, 7, blah, blah, blah. And the reason is if you do it on those rows, yes, you see it on the other side. So that, and it should actually, it drags it forward. So I'm just going to leave that there. And I'm going to put this to the front and do my 4 knits. And this is my problem stitch. Let's just do something with it. Your garter edges. And there you go. There's... No, go ahead.